Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am She Follows Truth. My name is Portia, you guys. And for all that who is new, hey y'all, stay for this little journey or whatever. Go ahead and stay, buckle up, go and subscribe, hit that bell. Don't forget. And yeah, you guys, so today, as you can read the title, you guys, that I will be showing you guys my mini collection of prescription glasses that I got from two websites, y'all. It's super affordable, it's trendy, it's cute, it's different. So furthermore, y'all, I'm just gonna just show y'all because it's lit. Okay, all right, y'all, let's get into the first pair. And these are my hubby faves right here, and these are from glasseslit.com. okay, now I'm gonna just tell y'all right now, I do not have the links to these glasses. Okay, I know people are like, where the links? But I'm sorry, I didn't put it in the description box. So sorry, but I'm pretty sure they all are easy to access. It won't take you much to get there. So let's do some little research together, okay? But anyways, this is the first pair that my husband freaking loves. Like, he loves these. They're like a mini cat eye. Can't really describe it. And I would say the only con I would have about these glasses is that the size right here is flimsy. It's not metal, or it's not sturdy, it's flimsy. And they're like, I don't know, even these itself, like, it's flimsy, but they are super cute. Y'all see them? Y'all see me? Y'all see me? It's cute, ain't it? But yeah, y'all, these are super cute. And I believe that I paid, I don't know, I probably paid like $20-some for these with my prescription. So I believe so, you guys. It's been months since I purchased all of these glasses. It took me very long to upload them because I had to wait for better quality to put out. I don't want to just put out, I want y'all to really see the glasses with better quality, okay? I don't want to just film anything trying to show these because these are so cute, affordable, okay? All right, y'all, these next pair I'll be showing y'all, it is these right here. When I first purchased these and I got these in the mail, y'all, I could not keep these things off my face for nothing. Like, they are super cute, y'all. And if you really look at it, you see it's like a dark green and then a gold. Oh my gosh, it just really does something to it. Like, you can actually get really dressed up and wear these glasses. Like, it's not doing too much. And the same things with, like, these, the sides are flimsy as well. And these are from firmoo.com. And like I showed you with the other, with Glasses Lit, they both come in similar cases or whatever, but Glasses Lit is more of a, like, it's more transparent than this one. You know, it's like foggy or something. I don't know if y'all see that, but yeah. And yeah, and also it comes with these as well in each pack. So you already know your girl got plenty of these, so I ain't gonna ever run out. But these glasses, look how they look on me, y'all. It's so cute. It's like, it'd be like, girl, what? Like, what you say yesterday? Girl, you funny. Girl, you funny, girl. It's like, you can just, oh, it's so cute, y'all. Just sit at the library and just read. Like, hey, I'm reading right now. I'm so corny, y'all. I'm so corny. But yeah. All right, y'all. This pair right here is from firmoo.com. And this is how it looks. It's similar to the other ones I have, y'all. And the sides, it's not as flimsy as the other ones, but it is flimsy, okay? And these are the Harry Potter ones, the cute ones. Look at these. And they're thin too, so. And this is how they look on me. They're super cute. They're super cute. They're lightweight, extremely lightweight. So you don't have to worry about anything pressing on to, you know, this little bone right here. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. As soon as you take these glasses off, you have a black mark in between your eyes. So you definitely don't have to worry about that. They're cute. Just throw them on and go. But yeah, y'all, I love these ones too. These are the ones that I wear regularly too. So yes, y'all, they're cute. Y'all, Now I ain't from the front, y'all. These, I know, listen, these is about the cutest glasses I ever owned. Now, you guys can see, okay, the outline, it's like a see-through black, and then it's silver. Oh my gosh, like, they're super cute. I love these. And sad to say, these two are kind of flimsy, but like I said, just be very careful on how you hold your glasses, and make sure you put your glasses up every night, because I failed to do that. And that's why I have to keep buying glasses. So glasses ain't cheap, and I gotta, you know. Oh, oof. Every time I put these on, it give you like, I don't know, like Harry Potter, like I need to be in a Harry Potter movie or something. I don't know what it is, but they're cute, y'all. What? Ow. They're super cute. Yeah, you guys. Really quick, you guys, I don't know if I mentioned or not, but these glasses are from glasslit.com, okay? Okay, you guys, this next pair that I have, y'all, they are from firmoo.com, and these is how it looks. Super cute, see-through on the sides. Y'all see it? And I can't really explain the pattern, but the pattern reminds me of like marble. Y'all see that? It's super cute. It's shiny. It's like it's glossy. That's the right term for it. It's glossy. It's cute. Super cute, you guys. And the way it frames my face, you guys, like, it's super cute, casual. You know, I don't have to worry about going somewhere and think I'm doing too much or whatever. Just go to the store, pop these on, and call it a day. And they're super cute, you guys. And these were also affordable. I believe these were 20 something, like $20 or less, probably 16. It was a very affordable, surprisingly. So these are super cute. Yeah. Okay, y'all. These pair right here, with this pair, y'all, this is from firmoo.com. These same, like, you see it, it's like a, yeah, but this is the glasses right here. They are see-through. These are like the new trendy glasses that everybody have nowadays. And when I purchased them, I didn't really notice that it was trendy. Like, I just bought it because it was cute and see-through. I always wanted to see-through. But I was like, geez, child, I'm with the trend now, honey. But they are like a see-through purple. They are super cute. They're like Barbie glasses. I like them a lot. And the sides are flimsy. It's like you wouldn't expect them to be flimsy for like these type of glasses. Like, you wouldn't expect that. It's like, hey, you guys. But the end, I have to bring the ends up. Y'all see, it's like a gold accessory. Like, they're super cute. And these is how it looks on me. And it matches this little sort of so nicely. So cute. So cute, you guys. I love them. They're super cute. I ain't trying to be a person with y'all, but got to. It's so cute. All right, y'all. So this pair is no different from the last pair I just showed y'all. Okay, these also from firmoo.com, and they are see-through as well, but they are clear white. So, well, not clear white, but clear. The other ones are, you know, purple. And this is how it looks. I like these, but I prefer the purple ones because it frames my face better. It's like these are just rectangle. The other ones, it kind of comes down a little more right here. So, I mean, they're still cute. They're like the Barbie trendy glasses. And to show y'all, these are not as flimsy on the legs as the other ones. Like, it's not flimsy, it's more sturdier. So this is how it looks, you guys. Ow. Yeah, they're super cute. Now, y'all, these glasses right here, they are from glasseslit.com. When I say this is extra, read all about it, okay? Y'all, like, I was not expecting it to be this big and this, like, I don't know, it's like it's super huge on my face. I love these, but I wish it could have been way smaller on my face. I just think they're doing way too much on my face. But the size are gold, and it's like smooth. It's pretty. It's glistening, honey. Y'all see it? And y'all see how it's like the cat. Oh my gosh, like the whiskers right here. Y'all see it? Oh my gosh. Not whiskers, y'all. I used to dang on wrong word. Ears, okay. Y'all see it? It's super cute and it's gold. And what sold me was this part in the design. It's like a, hit my lip, but it's like a flower design. Y'all see that? But this is how it looks on me, y'all. Don't pick on me. This is like I'm really trying it. It's like I want to go somewhere and y'all gonna look at me. This is the type of glasses you put on. Like, they're super dramatic. I mean, they're cute. You know, I can see them out. I can see a mile away in these things. They're big. And you know, my only con about these things is that they are heavy. They're a little slight heavy, but they are cute. You know, I have like my extra pair of glasses in my purse. You know, I have these bad boys in my purse. They're way lighter. And, you know, I don't need these glasses to make a mark on my face. But they're really cute, though. They're different. They're really cute. And that's what I personally go for. Something a little off the, you know, off the rim or whatever. So, I mean, all in all, they're cute and they're affordable. And, yeah. So, I hope you guys like this pair. Because I do. Okay, you guys, this is the end of this video. You guys, could y'all please share, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, I know y'all been hearing little kids in the back or whatever, so just please act like y'all didn't hear it. Okay, I do have kids, so I'm sorry if you guys was annoyed with the back, you know, with the background noise or whatever. So just make sure you comment and let me know which glasses you guys prefer, is cute or whatever that you would buy, you know, whatever. So anything, yeah, but that's it. But yeah, you guys, go ahead and subscribe, and I love you all. Bye.